Hi there, and thank you for tuning in. If you're familiar with the Apple AirPods here to the left, then you know how the concept of a carry case and a power bank in combination works. You simply drop the earphones into the carry case to start charging. The XTAR GP2 is exactly the same, but instead of charging earphones, you charge batteries for your GoPro 9 and 10. And you can charge the power bank in the carry case using the USB-C connector at the rear of the case. In terms of using the case, there's really nothing to it. You simply just lift and drop your GoPro batteries into the power bank, and that's really it. The user guide is short and sweet, only a one-pager, and according to it, the GP2 will provide up to 12 hours of running time for your GoPro camera. I have not tested this, but for sure the GP2 will significantly extend the number of hours that you can spend in the field with your GoPro running. If you look at the weight of the XTAR, you can see it's 270 grams, which is relatively light if you ask me, compared to my normal power bank, which is almost 400 grams, but of course it also is a stronger battery. In terms of size, it is rather small, as I find it, 8 centimeters wide. It is 4.5 centimeters deep and 5.5 centimeters tall, so it has been easy for me to find space for this charger in my backpack. The XTAR GP2 charges via USB-C, and although you of course can get a wall charger from XTAR, you may find that you have a wall charger already that you can use to charge the GP2 instead. That is the beauty of having an industry standard like USB-C, if you ask me. The XTAR GP2 takes batteries that fits the GoPro 8, 9 and 10. But if you have an older battery for say the GoPro 7, you can buy an accessory, a battery holder that makes the older batteries the same size as the newer ones. Thanks to the little plastic strip on top of the battery, it is easy to lift the battery and the holder in and out of the GP2 charger. As a nice little extra feature, it is possible to store 2 additional memory cards in the XTAR GP2 just behind the GoPro batteries. They lock into position and hence sit tight during transport. This way you have both extra power and extra memory when on the go. There are in total 6 LEDs that tell the state of affairs. The 4 white LEDs in the middle shows how charged the power bank is, and the red/green LED in the far left and the far right shows red when charging and green when the battery is fully charged. The lid closes with a snap as magnets pull the lid in place. I use a small rubber band to make sure the lid stays closed. It would be nice if the lid could be locked, and I know that XTAR is looking into a solution for this. Here early March 2022, the product has just been launched. The retail price is around $40 and XTAR plan to sell the product via Kickstarter first, then on their homepage XTAR Direct, then Amazon store, and finally the AliExpress store. I'm sure that if you Google the XTAR GP2 name, you will find the latest and greatest related to this product. As always, thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.